Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So in this video we're talking about the latest launched Realme smartphone. Yes, Realme X3 SuperZoom is here with a 60x hyper zoom. The Realme X3 SuperZoom is now officially, most of it we already know through teasers and leaks was confirmed of the specs. The Realme X3 SuperZoom get its name from the 8 megapixel 122mm 5x periscope zoom lens with ROG software, and with the help of the 64 megapixel main sensor can snap up to 60x hybrid zoom shoots. As you can see on your screen, this is the from 1x to 60x some zoom samples of the Realme X3 SuperZoom. The rest of the rear camera are an 8 megapixel ultrawide and 2 megapixel macro. The main camera offers Nightscape 4.0 complete with a pro mode with a manually adjustable settings like ISO shutter speed, white balance and autofocus, as well as AI mode, which does everything on its own. There is also a tripod mode as well. On the front, the Realme X3 SuperZoom pack a dual camera in a pill-shaped punch hole in the display, as you can see in this picture. The main selfie sensor is 32 megapixel Sony IMX616, and on the side of it there is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle second shooter. The main sensor offers Nightscape selfie capture, night mode for selfies. The display itself 6.57 inch 1080p by 2400 pixel IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate. The fingerprint sensor is side mounted sensor that Realme claim is good for 0.3 seconds unlock. The Realme X3 SuperZoom uses a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with a 12 GB of RAM, vapor chamber cooling and UFS 3.0 storage with a turbo ride. The Realme X3 SuperZoom is on pre-order starting today and will go on its first sale on June 2 at 10 a.m. It comes in a glacier blue and architect white color in a single 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage variant. Price, it's €499. It's available through realme.com, Amazon and other retail partner. Link in the description. Go and buy this smartphone. So guys, this is the new Realme smartphone. The other specification of this smartphone is this smartphone can do 4K video recording at 60 fps and slow motion at 720p at 960 fps, and this smartphone is also a Gyro and EIS as well. The 3.5mm headphone jack is not available in this smartphone, and this smartphone is Bluetooth 5.0 and USB 2.0 Type C with a 1.0 reversible connector, and it has the accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass as well. The battery is 4200 mAh and with a 30-watt fast charging. This charger can charge this battery in just 55 minutes. So guys, if you want to buy, link in the description. Go and buy from the Amazon affiliate link. I'll see you in my next video guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Peace out.